Welcome to Study Room. This video is on PO Guide Part 1 and it is a third series on this segment. In this video, you have three segments. One is objective questions and second one is learn and relax and third one introduced newly as know about me. Watch till end and get the benefit of all the segments. Question number 1. Book packet may contain option A. Parchments, option B. Printed music books, option C. Cardboard, option D. All the above. The correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 2. Book packet may contain option A. Newspaper, option B. Greeting cards, option C. Bills, option D. All the above. The correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 3. Book packet containing complimentary cards like New Year greetings should not have dash numbers of words or initial of complimentary nature. Option A, 1 word. Option 2, 2 words. Option C, 5 words. Option D, no such restrictions. The correct answer is option C, 5 words. Question number 4. Book packet may contain option A. Quotations and price list of product. Option B. Printed notices for insurance companies. Option C. Map and drawings. Option D. All the above. The correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 5. Book packet cannot contain option A. Deeds. Option B. Power of attorney. Option C. Photograph. Option D. Court summons. The correct answer is option D. Court summons. Question number 6. Whether the written letters of old date which have previously passed through the post and served their original purpose can be sent in book packet. Option A. Yes. Option B. No. Option C. Yes, but with the prior permission of postmaster. Option D. Yes, but with prior permission of the divisional head. The correct answer is option A. Yes. Question number 7. Book packet may contain option A. Pupils exercise. Option B. Horoscope. Option C. Licenses. Option D. All the above. The correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 8. Why the greeting cards and invitation should be superscribed on the cover along with book packet. Option A. To identify it as second class mail and transmit through second class mails. Option B. To consider it as first class mail. Option C. To give surface transmission along with first class mail. Option D. To check whether it contains any communication. The correct answer is option C. To give surface transmission along with first class mails. Question number 9. Book packet cannot contain option A. Communication of the nature of letter. Option B. Communication having the character of personal communication. Option C. Currency notes. Option D. All the above. The correct answer is option D. All the above. Learn and relax. Revised small savings schemes account opening form introduced by SB Order 17/2020 by Financial Division of Directorate by incorporating provision for Aadhaar seeding. This will help in providing the benefits of DBT, that is direct benefit transfer. Question number 10. Article containing superscription as postcard posted as book packet. Option A. It can be sent as book post as its tariff is more than postcard. It can be transmitted by charging the double the deficiency of book packet. Option C. Cannot be transmitted as book packet. Option D. None of the above. The correct option is option C. Cannot be transmitted as book packet. Question number 11. Maximum weight of the article that can be sent under book packet is option A 2 kg, option B 4 kg, option C 5 kg, option D 20 kg. The correct answer is option C 5 kg. Question number 12. Maximum dimension of book packet other than roll form can be option A 30 centimeter into 90 centimeter into 40 centimeter. Option B 60 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Option C 30 centimeter into 90 centimeter into 60 centimeter. Option D 60 centimeter into 90 centimeter into 30 centimeter. The correct answer is option B 60 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Question number 13. Read the statement. A. A book packet must be posted without a cover or in an unfastened envelope or in a cover which can be easily removed for the purpose of examination without breaking any seal. B. If the book packet is found to be in excess of either the prescribed size or prescribed weight, it shall be returned to the sender. Option A is correct, B is wrong. Option B, A is wrong, B is correct. Option C, both A and B is correct. Option D, both A and B is wrong. The correct answer is option C, both A and B is correct. Question number 14. If breach of condition found in book packet other than weight and size, it should be treated as option A letter or parcel, option B letter, option C parcel, option D return to sender. The correct answer is option A letter or parcel. Question number 15. Book packet can avail special rate as book packet containing printed book only when option A superscribed as printed book, option B not published at regular intervals, option C printed book containing without advertisement, option D all the above. The correct answer is option D all the above. Question number 16. Read the statement. A book packet containing printed book shall contain the name of the printer or publisher. B. It can contain one written communication but not more than 10 words. Option A is correct, B is wrong. Option B, A is wrong, B is correct. Option C, both A and B is correct. Option D, both A and B is wrong. Option A is correct, B is wrong. Question number 17. Maximum weight of the book packet containing printed books. Option A 2 kg, option B 4 kg, option C 5 kg, option D 20 kg. Correct answer is option C 5 kg. Question number 18. If book packet has to be considered as book packet containing periodicals, it should fulfill this condition. Option A registered with RNI. Option B RNI registered number must be printed either on front or back page. Option C both A and B. Option D neither A and B. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Learn and relax. By SB order number 28/2020, Directorate insisted for using SB5 passbook for SB, RD, MIS, Senior Citizen Scheme, PPF, SSA, and it shall contain 12 pages plus cover page. Similarly, for TD, KVP and NSC, SB5A passbook must be used which has 4 pages plus cover pages. Question number 19. Maximum weight of book packet containing periodicals. Option A 2 kg, option B 4 kg, option C 5 kg, option D 20 kg. The correct answer is option C 5 kg. Question number 20. A pattern or sample packet posted unpaid is charged on delivery with option A, double the deficiency, option B, double the postage, option C, double the parcel rate, option D, single postage. The correct answer is option B, double the postage. Question number 21. An insufficiently prepaid pattern or sample packet is charged on delivery with option A, double the deficiency, option B, double the postage, option C, double the parcel rate, option D, single postage. Answer is double the deficiency. Learn and relax. Directorate clarified that while granting dress allowance for new recruits, it should be considered that full allowance should be paid for those who recruited between the month of July and December of previous year. If they have been recruited after December, only half of the dress allowance should be paid. Question number 22. Pattern or sample packet shall not contain option A, personal communication, option B, any saleable value, option C, both A and B, option D, neither A and B. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 23. Maximum weight can be sent under the pattern or sample packet. Option A 2 kg, option B 4 kg, option C 5 kg, option D 20 kg. The correct answer is option A 2 kg. Question number 24. Read the statement. A. Pattern and sample packet must be properly protected and sent in closed condition only. B. Pattern and sample packet can be sent in such a way that it can be opened for inspection. Option A. A is correct, B is wrong. Option B. A is wrong and B is correct. Option C. Both A and B is correct. Option D. Both A and B is wrong. Correct answer is option B. A is wrong, B is correct. Question number 25. Blind literature packets are exempted from payment of this fee. Option A, registration fee. Option B, fee for acknowledgement. Option C, payment of postage. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Friends, if you like study room videos, please share it in all your groups, maybe WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, etc. so that all your friends can get benefit of this study room. Know about me. Here we are introducing Speed Post. Speed Post introduced in 1986. MNOP, that is Mail Network Optimization Project, introduced in March 2010. Minimum chargeable weight of Speed Post is 50 grams and maximum weight up to 35 kg can be booked under Speed Post. GST of 18% applicable for Speed Post. For add-on services, 18% GST is applicable in addition to GST what we are paying for booking, that is for POD and COD. Tariff of Speed Post calculated based on aerial distance and not by road distance. Here aerial distance means a point to point. If you put a straight line, that is aerial distance. And it is in kilometers, not by miles. Walk-in customers gets discount of 5% if same sender sends more than 2000 worth speed post in a day. Walk-in customer gets discount of 10% if the same sender sends more than 1 lakh worth speed post in a day. So for this, no contract is required. Now in point of sale, speed post of above 500 gram is booked as speed post merchandise, and this has to be closed to parcel hub. In speed post, to enroll as bulk customer or contractual customer, they have two options that they can enroll as book now pay later scheme or as advance deposit customer. In book now pay later, the payment will be given in the later stage. In as advance customer, he has to give the payment in advance. Free pickup facility will be available for the speed post bulk customer who gives a monthly business of rupees 10,000 and above. However, this limit can be relaxed by CPMG or PMG case by case. %10 discount will be given if monthly speed post worth rupees 50,000 to rupees 5 lakh is given by the bulk customer. Bulk customer can get maximum of 30% discount if monthly business above rupees 5 crore is given. So there is a different slab. You can go to India Post and check the slab. The advance deposit customer will have a benefit of additional 1% discount for providing a business above 50,000 and up to 25 lakhs. The advance paid customer will get 2% additional discount above other discounts for providing a business above 25 lakhs. Cash on delivery facility will be provided for the bulk customers or contractual customers only, both for speed post and business parcel. Thanks for watching. Please visit our Google web page https://sites.google.com/view/studyroommaster. Model question paper 2 is ready for you. You can attend the model question paper where you can evaluate your own performance. Marks and correct answers will be displayed instantly once you submit the answer. Thank you, friends.